Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Microsoft also released a new beta channel insider build late last week, build 22635.4445, which rolled out with the update KB5046745. So just a quick overview as to what is happening in the beta channel. Now, just like the dev channel, we get one change and improvement, and then we get some fixes, and then we also get a hidden feature, which we'll take a look at the end of this video. And just to focus on the change and improvement, at first, Microsoft say they've added a new folder option in the context menu when right-clicking locations in the navigation pane, which I have posted on previously, and this is what I would say a nice move in the right direction. Just bringing a little bit more functionality back into the File Explorer, which I think is needed. So that's the change and improvement. And then we get some fixes. Now, the first two are for the taskbar, where they fixed a few issues impacting Explorer.exe reliability in the latest flights related to the taskbar. And your Explorer.exe is your shell of your OS. So that would be your taskbar, your start menu, File Explorer, your notification menus, quick launch settings, and so on. So the issues were impacting some insiders, which could cause Explorer.exe to crash sometimes when right-clicking apps in the actual taskbar. So that's a small little niggly issue that's been sorted out. And they also fixed an issue if you were using and are using a left-aligned taskbar on a multi-monitor setup. So as you may well know, you can center and then left-align your taskbar in Windows 11. So the issue was the widgets text in the taskbar might overlap the date and time, which is not a good thing. So that's been addressed. And that's also, I think, rolling out across the board in the Insider program. I've mentioned that one previously in a previous video. And that's the taskbar taken care of. And then for the File Explorer, we get 5 fixes that have rolled out, which I'm always happy to see because the File Explorer does need a little bit of improvement and a bit of a stability improvement in Windows 11. Now, the first is they fixed an issue where the date-time properties of files were unexpectedly updated in some cases after copying them. And then they also fixed an issue where the details pane icons weren't responding correctly to theme changes, making it hard to see if you switched from dark to light or vice versa. And then they fixed an issue when duplicating a tab. So if you right click on a tab, clicking duplicate, apparently there was a black flash, and apparently now, according to Microsoft, that has been addressed in the beta channel. And then they made a change to help improve performance of context menu launching and File Explorer navigation, which I think is a good thing. And then they fixed an issue where when you did a search, it may unexpectedly trigger the search happening repeatedly. So that's a couple of little issues now been sorted out in the File Explorer, which I hope get down to stable sooner than later. And then over and above that, we get a general fix where they fixed an underlying issue which could result in snipping tool screenshots being distorted on certain displays. So that's the changes and improvements and the fixes rolling out officially. And then just to quickly focus on an unofficial change, which is a hidden feature, which means it's code that Microsoft could be working on internally. And this was spotted by Phantom of Earth over on X once again, where we now get more new share entry points. So you'll also be able to quickly share recently accessed files from taskbar and start menu jump lists, which is not available as yet in this table. And then the next sharing improvement is you'll also be able to quickly share local files that appear in the recommended section from the right-click menu. So a couple of sharing improvements which are and can be enabled using the third-party app Vive tool. As you may well know, if you would like to enable these features in the beta channel, because they are hidden, they are not available as yet as official features, but I do find that a lot of these hidden features actually work their way into official testing. So there's a good chance, and I don't see why this wouldn't eventually even make its way to the stable version. So guys, that's more or less, as I would say, what's new in last week's beta channel. Flight +22635.4445. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.